Hello. No, let me call you back. I'm in the middle of something. Job interview.
No way.
Seriously. That's what happens when you get A&P. You get bombarded with job interviews. My name is Phil. I work at the Fighter Factory in Virginia Beach, Virginia, and I'm an aviation mechanic. I got my A&P certificate at the Aviation Institute of Maintenance. We're at the Military Aviation Museum in Virginia Beach, Virginia. Currently, we're in the WWII Hangar, surrounded by, I couldn't tell you how many airplanes from that time era. I get to work in this incredible environment where I have a lot of freedom to play with planes that there's only 2 or 3 left in the world. I work in paradise. I work in a sandbox. This is the coolest sandbox to work in. I mean, look at it. It's history. I would definitely recommend AIM to someone because of the endless possibilities that are out there. Look at my life and see the improvement that this school has given me by the opportunity of receiving my A&P. The quality of life I have is amazing. The biggest impact I've had from a staff member would have to be Dominic Cummings and Tim Murray. They were excellent teachers and professors in their craft. They understand planes, and their background was very difficult to be able to stump them with a question. My favorite project while I was in the school had to be working with composites and fabric, because today I get to apply my knowledge with fabric, because to me it's a dying art, and I get to experience it and share it with a lot of guests at the museum. I'm definitely living the dream. The opportunities are unbelievable because you don't know who you're gonna meet. You can meet anybody in the field and they can just drag you along for the ride, and next thing you know, you accidentally are working around $100 million worth of airplanes.